Welcome back to Ottawa Business Spotlight, where we feature the local companies raising the standard in their trade. Today, we're shining a light on Ottawa Property Experts, a kitchen and bathroom renovation company doing something refreshingly rare in this industry. If you've ever renovated, you know the horror stories. Budgets that double, timelines that drag on for months, contractors who stop answering the phone. What caught our attention about Ottawa Property Experts is that they've built the entire business around removing that risk in writing. The company is led by Mr. Qasim, who's been renovating kitchens and bathrooms in Ottawa for more than 15 years. His model rests on 3 written promises. The price is fixed before any work begins. The number you agree on is the number you pay. The completion date goes into the contract, and if they're late, they pay you. And every project carries a 5-year written warranty on the workmanship. What else stood out to us was the process, a free in-home design consultation, so you see the result before it's built. One dedicated project manager, permits and inspections handled, and the site cleaned up at the end of every day. Now, they're a newer company, so rather than lean on a long list of reviews, they compete on transparency and put every promise in writing. In our books, that's exactly the kind of business Ottawa homeowners should know about. If a kitchen or bathroom renovation is on your list, you'll find Ottawa Property Experts through the link below. And if you'd like your business featured on Ottawa Business Spotlight, send us an email. The address is on your screen. We'll see you in the next feature.